Howdy, y'all. Welcome back to another taste testing episode. I broke down yesterday and bought some KUJU pour over coffee from Walmart. It's, I think, $8 or so for the 4-pack, which is more than I've been wanting to spend, but I did it anyway. I've gotten carried away with pour over coffee lately, but I blame Daiso because they have so much cheap pour over coffee stuff that can't afford not to. So I've been experimenting with different types of pour over stuff and without spending a fortune, and I'll never go and get a scale and weigh everything. That's just not me. But I'm willing to try the disposable pour over packs. These are made for, this is the base camp blend. I've done, Daiso has their own really cheap, I think it's a 4-pack, maybe it's a 2-pack. Anyway, they have great pour over coffee at a great price. It's good pour over coffee. H Mart has a pretty good selection. The one I tried was okay, but we're gonna try the brews in 2 minutes. Tear filter open, anchor, pour. Enjoy your KUJU, whatever, KUJU. So, they're come individually wrapped, which is nice. And before I open this, let me go get some water. Hi. I think I messed up the pause there. You may have sat through me messing with my coffee and killing time. Anyway, it's about 8 ounces or so. It's up to here. I've had it up to here with you people. But I got tired of waiting. It's strong. It's strong. It's good, but it's strong. Let me add some cream. Okay. Poured in some Aldi cream. Cheers. It's good coffee. Okay, it's really good coffee. Rather, it's worth twice as much per pouch as the other disposable pour overs I've tried. Yes and no. It depends on your tastes. I'm less picky, my palate's not as refined, and honestly, if I'm waking up in the morning, I just need the caffeine fix. There's nothing like sitting around a campfire in the morning before everyone else is awake and sipping your morning brew. And this would take twice as long, as you saw. It takes forever. But it's good. So that's the bottom line, because I said so. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!